Spotify technology is up almost 30% in 2025. But what about going forward? What about 2026 and beyond? Is Spotify stock a buying opportunity for long-term investors? I'll answer that question in this video, looking at the company's longer-term revenue growth, its returns on invested capital. Spotify has demonstrated excellent growth over the years, increasing from $3 billion in trailing 12-month revenue in 2016, all the way up to $17 billion in trailing 12-month revenue in the most recent 12-month period. Of course, one of the reasons fueling Spotify's growth is the tailwind from streaming technology. Consumers prefer to stream their content, whether it be audio or video, compared to legacy methods of consuming content, which for audio was radio, CDs, etc. And now streaming content is a lot more attractive, especially for audio. Imagine I used to have a whole folder of CDs. It was heavy and I had to transport it, and it's a lot more convenient now. I can have a playlist on my phone that includes all of those songs from all of those CDs I previously had. The difficulty for Spotify, or the challenge for Spotify, is that's not proprietary content. It has to pay for the rights to stream that music. So that part of the business, not as lucrative, not as much potential. The part of the business that I'm more attracted to is the proprietary content, the content it pays to create, the deals with its content providers, the podcasts, the influencers on the platform that attract individuals to come to the platform to listen to that podcast or show exclusively, where they can't find that anywhere else. That's the part of the business I think is more attractive and faces less competition than streaming music, which can be found, if you have an Amazon Prime subscription, usually comes with the streaming music. If you have YouTube Premium, it comes with streaming music. If you have Apple Music, it comes with you get the streaming. It comes as part of our bundle to Apple. And so the streaming music part of the business, not as lucrative, but the podcast, the audio, that part of the business I am attracted to, and it is demonstrating excellent growth in recent years. It's also demonstrating great profitability. Now, when you measure the business on the return on invested capital, it's improved meaningfully over the decade, up from negative 77% in 2016 as it was still establishing itself in the platform, up to 34.2% in the most recent trailing 12-month period. Click the link below to watch the full video.